Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2016 Ram Laramie Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7223A. 53,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, brilliant black in color. To receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Ram seats 5. Leather interior. Rear outboard seats are heated. Seat bottoms flip up for a flat cargo surface. This Ram also has the 10-speaker upgraded Alpine sound system with subwoofer. Underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Hard fiberglass tonneau cover. Locking tailgate, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Heavy duty trailering package. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laramie has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power adjustable pedals, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Ventilated seats. Dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Control. This Ram also has the 4-corner air suspension, allowing you to raise and lower the suspension depending on driving conditions. Lots of storage space. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. CD player. Lots of storage space. Automatic dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sliding door controls. Under the hood, this Ram is a 5.7 liter Hemi V8. 395 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. K&N cold air intake. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7223A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.